Hey, good day to you. This is Todd. I am a regular dude walking in the Word. Hey, last episode we talked about the opportunity to give, and Paul really emphasized how you're really blessed when you give, and the opportunity to give, and everything else. As he comes to the close of that whole conversation, he says here that God will meet your needs. Okay, a lot of times we take that verse and we take it. And we just use that verse and we say, God will meet your needs. God will meet your needs. You have to go back and you have to look at the whole context about the whole thing. He was talking all about giving. And so it's basically like you can give, and God is going to take care of your needs. Okay? If you're just a stingy person that doesn't ever want to give anything, God doesn't say he's going to take care of your needs in that situation because you're not giving anything. So take this in the whole consideration here. So listen to yesterday's episode, okay? Because there we talked about whole verses 14 to 20, the whole thing about giving. But then today, listen to this when it says God will meet your needs. And this is only from verse 19 here. And so this is chapter 4 of Philippians, verse 19. It says this, and my God will meet all your needs according to the riches of his glory in Christ Jesus. Okay? So Paul is saying here, God's going to meet your needs. He has everything already anyway, so he's going to meet your needs according to his riches of his glory in Christ Jesus. Okay, so he will meet your needs. But again, I want to emphasize, when you read the Bible, you need to read it in context with like the whole chapter, sometimes the whole book, so you understand what it's saying. Do not pick out a verse and then just go, oh, I claim that verse. And let's say you go, you pick out the verse, Jesus wept, okay? And you go, that's my verse, Jesus wept, Jesus wept. You pick out the verse and you don't study anything else of the Gospels. You have the impression that Jesus just went around weeping all the time, and that's all he ever did. That's not true at all, because he did so much more, and where he wept is a very small portion of his whole life. Okay, so you have to take that in context. And when I say God will meet your needs, you have to take that in context. It's a context of giving and taking care of other people, and God's also going to meet your needs, is what Paul is saying here. So hopefully that makes sense to you here, and we can take comfort in that God will meet your needs. All right? Hey, thanks for watching. I'm just a regular dude walking in the Word. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as we actually are concluding Philippians tomorrow. Lord's blessing. I'll see you then.